Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the easiest way you can look for potential habitable exoplanets from your home without the need of any telescope. In this third episode I'm going to show you how to use an online project which is free and gives you the opportunity to find exoplanets. The important difference between this project and Planet Hunters, which is a similar project I talk about in another video, here the link, is that they show different data from the Kepler Space Telescope. For this reason, I encourage you to participate in both projects. So, how are you going to look for exoplanets? Well, the method used is transit photometry. You're going to look for a drop in a star's brightness produced by an exoplanet crossing the star from our line of sight. The link to the project, called Exoplanet Explorers, is in the description. So now, let's begin. First of all, I recommend you to create an account in order to receive credit for your discoveries. Now, in the light curves, the x-axis shows you the time spent observing the star. The y-axis shows you the brightness of the star, and each yellow dot represents one measurement of that brightness. We are looking for a dip in the data at phase 0.0 on the top right graph. Just one dip because all the individual transits are placed on top of each other. We are also looking for a good fit between the data and the blue line on the bottom right graph. And when you spot a potential transit, click on Yes, Done, and Next. As I mentioned in my video on Planet Hunters, you may find several types of false positives, like variable stars and eclipsing binary stars. On the one hand, variable stars tend to suffer from changes in their brightness over a long period of time. On the other hand, eclipsing binary stars are stars transited by another one, and they produce curves with two drops, one of them being less deep than the other when the smaller star passes behind the large one. You may see one of the transits or both of them. I would also like to say that so far several people have found exoplanets through this project. One example is the discovery last April of a system with 4 super-Earths, which are unofficially called EE1b, EE1c, EE1d, and EE1e. So if you find an exoplanet, your name will appear in the research paper. Alright, and that's for today. Thank you very much guys for watching. Feel free to leave any comment, suggestion or question below. Please like, subscribe, click on the bell and share this video if you want. And in the next videos I will show you how to look for exoplanets with a telescope. Bye bye.